Hello and welcome dear students of Standard 9. Once again, I welcome all of you to my English YouTube channel. Previously, we have started a lesson, The Fall of Troy, and the first part of the same we have covered in two different videos. At the end of second video, we have seen Hector and Achilles, the two great heroes from both the sides. They were killed, they were died. Today we are going to open second part of the fall of Troy, and once again through the point method we are going to discuss, we are going to check out what actually happened in the course of war. Now we have seen that the Troy as well as the Greek, they fought continuously for 10 years, but the result, the final result, it didn't come. And therefore, what to do? Once again, Odysseus, the brave fighter, the brave officer from the Greek nation, he had an idea, and according to that idea, yes, now they were ready to win the Troy city, to defeat the Troy people. And therefore, here, through the point, let us see, finally, Troy was taken by a dream of cunning Odysseus. Actually, the sentence is the Troy it was taken not by force but with the help of a trick, with the help of an idea which was hit upon by Odysseus, cunning Odysseus. Odysseus, he was known as the brave fighter of the Greek. He had an idea. Yes, let us use that idea and let us see what would happen in future. Now, what was that idea and how the Troy city it was defeated by the Greeks? Yes, according to that idea, Odysseus ordered to his people, the Greeks built a huge and the great wooden horse. Isn't it? Odysseus, he ordered to construct, to build a huge and the massive wooden horse. Isn't it? Now, for what purpose it was made? Let us see. A huge horse, it was made by the skillful engineer. Isn't it? It was made by a skillful engineer. It was enough big to carry some Greek fighters in it. Now, what was the idea? What was the trick? At very first, Odysseus ordered to build a huge and the massive wooden horse. Later, he ordered to his people, do come, isn't it? Selected fighters, selected brave fighters of the Greek, they must come and they somewhere sat, yes, in that huge, massive horse. The statement is, the horse was enough big to carry some Greek fighters in it. Thus, the Greek heroes like Menelaus, Odysseus, and other including an engineer entered in it. Now, according to the plan, alright, the horse it became ready. As the horse became ready, it has its own entrance and exists, isn't it? And therefore, as the horse became ready, Menelaus, Odysseus, and other great fighters of the Greek, they directly get inside. They directly entered into the horse. Finally, the man, one who was an engineer, one who has designed, one who made the huge horse, he came at the last and he closed the door, he closed the entrance of that horse. Now, what was the plan? Let us see. According to that plan, they wanted to defeat the Troy or the Trojans. So, what later they did? The Greeks left the horse at the shore. Now it was the order of Odysseus, as they people they will get entered into the horse. Yes, you have to drag the horse and you have to left the horse somewhere at the seashore, isn't it? And therefore, as per the planning, each and every activity that was going on, when all these people they entered into the horse it was dragged by the Greek soldier on the seashore. Next, other soldiers burned their own tents and they pretended that they were running away. Now that was the next order of Odysseus, that the remaining soldier of the Greeks at very first they have to burn their own tents, and after burning the tents they have to show that they have to pretend they were running away from that place, from that location of the war. Isn't it? Means the thing was that the Greek soldier, they pretended that they were running away after burning their own tents. But that was the order of Odyssey. Yes, but they were ordered to return in the night. Isn't it? We are not running away permanently, but that was the part of our idea, that was the part of our planning. Isn't it? As in the morning, you have to pretend that you were running away from that location, from that place, but at the same night, you have to return and you have to wait there for our next order. Isn't it? And as per the planning, they pretended that they were running away, and the Greek soldier, they started to sail in their ships. Next morning, Trojans woke up, they came out of the city to fight. Now we have learned that the Greek and the Trojans continuously they fought a war for 10 long years. The Trojans, very next day, as they woke up, they decided, or it was as expected, as they woke up, they came out with their weapons, and now they were ready to fight against the Greeks. But as they came out, yes, they came out of the city to fight, but as they came out, they were delighted and surprised. Now Trojans, those who were fighting since 10 long years, alright, actually they were also so much time. As they came out from the Troy city, isn't it? They found and they became happy and they were delighted. Actually, they were also shocked and surprised that what scenery we are watching in front of us. The tents, they are burning. The ships were nowhere seen. The Greek soldier, they had gone away. They were running away. Isn't it? Means they were thinking that we have won the battle or we have defeated the Greeks at last. Yes, Trojans thought Greeks had running away. They were glad and thought that they won the battle. Isn't it? And when they realized we have won the battle, later they started to celebrate their happiness. They started to celebrate their victory. Isn't it? As the Trojans, they were celebrating their victory. Yes, at the same time, they had seen a huge and the massive wooden horse which was left by the Greek on the seashore on the sand. Now, why the horse it was left by the Greek on the sand? For what purpose it was there? Once again, that was the question for the Trojans. And the Trojans, they came, they gathered around that horse. They appreciated the beautiful work of that person, one who designed the horse. And later, after discussing, they decided, yes, why we should keep the horse as it is on the sand. Let us take the horse somewhere in our own city, and therefore as they decided, the broad and the huge gates of Troy city, they were open, and that was the unfortunate situation for the Trojans. They brought the wooden horse inside their own city. Yes, actually it was the planning of Odyssey, and the planning it became completely successful. Isn't it? They wanted to enter into the city, and same incident they were waiting for 10 long years. Now after this, what would happen, what will happen, we are going to continue the same lesson in the next video. But I hope you might have understood what actually we have seen in this video. Yes, if you have any problem, if you have any doubt regarding the video, please write something in the comment box. Surely we will try to find out solution for it. Thank you and have a nice day.